in a hurry and you got things to do and you know you need to do it, what tends to happen multiply my time by talking as fast as I can, by driving as fast as I can, by walking as fast as I can. I'm trying to pick up that extra 2-3 minutes there, that extra 2-3 minutes there, and then I'm trying to just cram it all in, just shove it all together so I can make it work. So key to the moral of this story is multitask is the only way to make this work in your business. In the beginning, if you don't have money and you're trying to build your business, or maybe you have a little bit of money and a little bit of spending money, you got $100,000 in the bank or something, it goes the same way. You're not gonna, $100,000 ain't gonna go that far. You know, like you hire a few guys, it's gone. You know, so you got to figure out how to multitask, how to do everything. Have guys doing multitask. So don't tell me, hey John, how do I make calls for people to do business with me? I don't do it as much as I would like to. That's why I'm about to hire a sales manager. I need somebody making calls all day long, hitting it hard. But it doesn't excuse you. You can't be like, fuck man, I don't have a salesperson, I don't have a sales team, and I don't have the time to do it. That's not an excuse. You're gonna go out of business. Your business is gonna die. You're not gonna you're not gonna succeed. Your business is going to die. You need to be able to do all of this stuff, okay? So if you're in a position right now where you are the guy that has to clean, you're the guy that has to go out there, manage your team, you're the guy that picks up the supplies, you're the guy that does all this stuff, start creating structure once again and start multitasking so you can make that happen. So let's make a call real quick and see if we can get in touch with Christian. And see, I'm making calls to the people that are like top of my mind because I could use my CRM tool, which monitors everything. CRM monitors everything, but I don't want to, I'm driving. I don't want to be looking, you know, up and down too much. I'm gonna make the best of my time and just call the people that are top on my mind, that I know I got proposals out with and I know I need to do business with. Can I get in touch with Christian, please? Sure, or you could just transfer me to his desk. I could try to get in touch with him. I can leave a voicemail. Christian, my man, it's John Erikson with Sunclean. How you doing? What's up, man? I just wanted to touch base. I know this thing's keep getting dragged out. I just wanted to talk to you, man, and see your insight on everything. Okay. Would it help to split it up in 2 months? Yeah, maybe talk to your GM. like let's just say we started like at the end of April, right? And we can go half in April, do a billing for that, and then in May we can do the other half of the invoice for May. Okay. Is he just like not interested, or is he like he's restricted because of his budget right now? He's restricted in the budget. Okay, so does it incentivize at all about DoubleTree? Is that on the same type of budget, or is that not even something to worry about? Two different budgets. Would it help to move some of the money from you guys to DoubleTree, or? Okay. Is it the same manager or no? So maybe what we do is I go back to the original deal as well. We get DoubleTree hooked up, and we split it between 2 months, and we just make it work with this budget. I mean, did he even say like, hey, this is what my budget is? Because then maybe I can work with you guys there. Draft up another proposal with the whole, half budget thing, and maybe that will make them a little more like, okay, this is only like $3,000 for 1 month, and then, you know what I mean? Might work. We can give it a shot. Okay, we'll position it that way. I'll let you bring it to him, and then I'll call you back within a week. All right, Christian. That was a job I've been working on since beginning of November. It just got held up. Sometimes when you're trying to work with some of the properties, they have budgets, and it's not even really so much that your price might be too high. They might just have too much going on, especially if you're working with hotels, even apartments. Especially since they just went through the slow season. So when they're about to get into spring and summer, their sales are high, everything's rocket high. They're like spend. They don't care, But as soon as April hits, that's kind of when that starts to happen. So getting them to push forward right now before April is a little bit tougher. And it's not like that for everyone. Everyone actually has different budgets, but this place in particular, it's a nice place. I just think that they have a low budget. Not even for the thing at all. I just think they have so many things going on that they're spending money on other things, and it's making it harder for them to pull the trigger on this particular project. So what I'm going to do is I suggested to them that we split up the payment between 2 months, meaning if the job's going to cost $9,000, I suggested to him, why don't we just bill you for $4,500 for April? We'll schedule the job at the end of April. Charge you $4,500 on the 30th, 31st, and then on the 4th or the 5th of May, which is the following month, we'll charge you another $4,500. Because the way that hotels and multifamily works is they get a budget every single month, a fresh budget. So instead of them getting hit with a $9,000 bill, and they got all these other things they're trying to prioritize for that month, they can just get hit with the $4,500 bill and then roll it over to the next month, and I still get my money at the same time within a 5-day gap. So that's a smart way. That's a little tip for all you guys out there that are trying to get contracts with hotels. Anyways, Multitask, we're on our way to San Diego. We'll let you know how it goes. We'll fill you in soon.